Hello and welcome to Starting Points, where one thing leads to another. I have some books I want to share with you that I found very uplifting, informative, eye-opening, charming, beautifully illustrated, well-written. I could go on, I bet, but I'll stop. To the Rescue by Garrett. It's about Garrett Morgan, and it's called Underground. He makes a discovery later in life that saves lives of some people that were trapped in an explosion under Lake Erie. They were trying to bring water to Cleveland and from the lake and tunneling under it, and they hit, anyway, I don't give things away here, Larry. Monica Culling, well, she's just tops in my book for writing about people that generally we wouldn't know anything about them, but they made a definite difference. This book I just really liked. One of 11 children, and he goes off to create jobs, improve the performance of whatever it might be, develops his own company, finds by observing nature an instance that allows him to get an idea that will save people's lives. And and he later does a number of other things. It's filled with surprises. This book is called Going Up, and it's about Elijah Otis' trip to the top. Trip to the top. And Elijah, again, was someone who had dealt with machinery and things on the farm and hauling up bales of hay to the top of the barn for storage, and he was a problem solver and determined problem solver to stay with it, and made a dramatic change to the skyline of the cities of the world. And so I highly recommend it. Again, it's Monica Culling teaming up with David Parkins. And here Monica is teaming up with Bill Slavin. Elijah McCoy's steam engine. 12 children. The cheaper by the dozen that we talked about in a previous video. He had his minds on becoming an engineer, and living in Canada, he went to Scotland for training and came back, but the only kind of job he got was working hard and sweaty work, physical work for the railroad. But in doing that, one thing leading to another, he found improvements that could be made. And it's, again, fascinating story, beautifully told and illustrated. Here's Bill Slavin, how everyday things are made. Well, when I saw this book, Transformed, I thought, Bill Slavin, I know him. And sure enough, he comes through amazingly. Soccer balls, for example. It's all of them are like this in their layout for each of the different items. Surfboards. So the book he has divided into 5 categories: fun and games, around the house, soup to nuts, all things about foods, cover-ups, clothes, blue jeans and running shoes and work gloves, and back to basics, glass, cement, brick, paper, recycling, rubber. Fun and games, baseballs, CDs, chewing gum dolls, footballs, guitars, marbles, neon signs, plastic dinosaurs, ship in a bottle, soccer balls, surfboards, teddy bears, whistles. Well, thanks for joining me. Until next time, bye for now.